REA Group is targeting net zero emissions by 2050. REA has reduced its Scope 1 and 2 emissions from our FY20 base year by 74%, tracking ahead of our emissions reduction target of a 42% reduction by 2030. The reduction in our Scope 2 emissions has largely been driven by the move to renewable energy across most of our Australian tenancies since February 2020.
We installed solar panels for our Church Street Richmond headquarters, reducing our base building electricity. We moved to a Green Power accredited renewable energy provider, Green Energy, across most of our REA locations in Australia. We undertook National Australian Built Environment Rating System, assessments of all of our Australian office tenancies to determine the current state and identify opportunities. We added sustainability guidelines to our Australian office lease selection process to help us select buildings that run on renewable energy and have above market NABER ratings and are reasonably close to public transport.
We are currently undertaking work to review our emissions targets and develop a robust decarbonisation plan to ensure that our targets are aligned with best practice, and we have a plan to get there. FY24 is our 5th consecutive year of being certified carbon neutral through the Australian Government's Climate Active program. The Climate Active program requires organisations to calculate their emissions, implement emission reduction initiatives, and then purchase offsets to eliminate remaining emissions. We encourage employees to reduce waste with multiple waste bins in our REA offices, including e-waste, soft plastics, clothes, and recycling. Our end-to-end trip facilities support climate-friendly commuting options, including bike, e-bike, and scooter storage. We encourage the use of electric vehicles with recharge stations in our Melbourne office and education through our novated leasing program. Over the past year, we've seen over a 25% increase in employees choosing electric vehicles or sustainable vehicles through their novated leases. REA run campaigns to recognise Earth Hour, Earth Day and Recycling Week and increase environmental awareness among employees.